Hey everyone, welcome back to Fundamental Finances, your go-to place for smart home buying tips and real estate advice. Today we're diving into how to find and buy a foreclosed home, step by step. If you've ever thought about getting a great deal on a home, foreclosure properties could be a game changer. But there's a right way to do it, and I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understand what a foreclosure is. First, what is a foreclosure? A foreclosure happens when a homeowner stops making mortgage payments and the lender takes back the property. These homes are usually sold at a discount to recover the lender's losses, which is where you come in as a buyer. Graphic of the foreclosure process. Missed payments. Lender takes ownership. Home listed for sale. Buying a foreclosure isn't just about the price. It's about understanding the risks and rewards. Step 2. Know the 3 types of foreclosures. There are 3 main stages where you can buy a foreclosed home. 1. Pre-foreclosure. The owner is behind on payments but still owns the home. You can negotiate directly. 2. Auction. The home is sold to the highest bidder at a public auction. 3. Real estate owned. The bank owns the property after no one buys it at auction. These are often listed with real estate agents. If you're a beginner, REO properties are usually the safest bet. They're easier to inspect, finance, and close, unlike auctions, which are fast and often cash only. Step 3. Get pre-approved. Next up, before you even start browsing listings, get pre-approved for a mortgage. Checklist: credit score, income, debt, loan type. Pre-approval shows sellers or banks you're a serious buyer. And in competitive markets, that gives you a big edge. Tip: some foreclosures require you to be pre-approved by their preferred lender, so always read the fine print. Step 4. Find foreclosure listings. Now let's talk about where to actually find foreclosed homes. Top sites to check. Zillow, filter by foreclosure. Realtor. Foreclosure. HUDhomestore.gov for government-owned properties. Local bank websites and county auctions. Another great strategy? Connect with a real estate agent who specializes in foreclosures. They'll know about listings you may not see online. Step 5. Work with a foreclosure-savvy agent. Not every real estate agent is experienced with foreclosures, and trust me, you want someone who's been through the process before. Why this matters? Navigating bank paperwork. Dealing with potential liens. Making smart offers. A good agent can also help you figure out if a property is worth the risk or if it's going to be a money pit. Step 6. Inspect the property. Most foreclosed homes are sold as is, which means the bank won't fix anything. That's why getting a home inspection, even if it's optional, is absolutely essential. You need to know what you're walking into. Checklist graphic. Structural issues. Roof and HVAC. Plumbing and electrical. Mold or water damage. If the inspection reveals major problems, factor those costs into your budget or walk away. Step 7. Make an offer. When you're ready to make an offer, your agent will help you come in with a strong, realistic price. Not too high, not too low. Banks want to sell fast, but they still want fair market value. Be prepared for counteroffers and have your financing lined up. Step 8. Close the deal. Once your offer is accepted, you'll go through the standard closing process: title search, appraisal, final loan approval. Because you're buying from a bank, closing can take a bit longer than a traditional sale, but it's usually straightforward. Pro tip: make sure the title is clear of liens, especially with auction or pre-foreclosure deals. Bonus tips and common mistakes to avoid. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to keep you out of trouble. Don't skip inspections. Avoid emotional decisions. Treat it like an investment. Have a repair budget. Be ready for delays in bank communication. Watch out for hidden liens or unpaid taxes. Foreclosed homes can be a fantastic deal, but only if you know what you're doing. And that's your step-by-step guide to finding and buying a foreclosed home. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real estate tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I reply to everyone.